Welcome to New Tech Reviews.
Hello again, this is Peter Charlton from New Tech Reviews. Today we're looking at a product called Aprelo. Now it's a very interesting product that can solve many problems for people in digital design agencies, for small businesses, affiliate marketing, etc., etc. As we all know, outsourcing good quality copyright is really ridiculously expensive and out of the question for a lot of people. Well, this product looks like it can do some amazing things that may really help in this context. It can create, actually I'm just going to let you see inside the dashboard here. It can create 100% plagiarized-free content in over 100 languages. Can't vouch for the languages, but I can say that the voices, it's got 600 natural male and female voices to choose from, and the voices are in the English language, English Irish, English American, English British, are really very good and believable. As AI voiceovers, they are extremely good. And I'll show you this in a minute because I actually generated something for myself in the actual dashboard area inside this product. So this is really from the product doing it. I did it a few minutes ago, and really worthwhile. Anyway, let's have a look at that now, see if I can find it. This is inside the dashboard, and what we do is we go to new voices. Oh no, back a minute. We go to, yeah, I created this from text which I wrote, which I copied and pasted in. I copied this in and it made this in a matter of less than a minute.
Business travel at the speed of your iPhone. Unfortunately, that's not yet possible. However, you can now zip around the country in your own helicopter, complete with a licensed.
Okay, that goes on, and you can see it's actually really quite useful, and it took a very short time. And then I made another one using text from this about using the email swipes, some email swipes about this particular product, and I created that. And again, it took about a minute to create this. It's quite long, it's over 1,000 words. I'll just play you the beginning.
Outsourcing to a good copywriter is ridiculously expensive and out of the question for most agencies and small businesses. Fortunately, you can solve this massive issue with Aprelo. Aprelo is a copywriting tool specifically designed for digital agencies and small businesses. It is packed with powerful features that makes your copywriting and voice-over solutions simple yet effective and highly profitable. Why is Aprelo such a profitable deal? Because it's the first cloud-based software powered by a true AI engine that's built around the needs of entrepreneurs, agency owners, and small business owners. It's the equivalent of having a 5-star copywriter at your fingertips, available 24/7.
Okay, well, obviously I had to write 24/7 and take the slash out of it, but you can see it's pretty good. I'll go back in the dashboard here, and you can, basically you can make sounds, voiceovers, and enter scripts. You need to upgrade to the next level to get some of these items in here, but basically it's very interesting. I want to go over again just some of the things that this product Aprelo will do. It'll create 100% plagiarize-free content in 100 plus languages. Let me see what else we've we've mentioned the voices. There are 600 male and female voices to choose from in different languages. create professional looking copy for LinkedIn, increase your business auto-generates ads, headlines, video outlines and descriptions for YouTube, generates blog posts, titles and posts, build complete marketing packages for your clients, call to action pages, headlines, subheadlines and body text, produces SEO, optimizing content for any niche or website, generates coupon deals and limited offers for any industry, publishes your content with a built-in publisher, which only requires a few clicks, and it can generate outbound emails that are guaranteed to get replies. Well, I don't know about the guarantee to get replies, but it can certainly generate the emails. Right, now we can look at some of the bonuses. These are courtesy of my mentor, John O. Armstrong. So basically, a couple of tutorials on how to get the best out of this program. 3 tutorials. So thank you very much for watching. I'll let you can search around the sales pages and everything. If you look below this video, you can see a link that will take you through to the bonuses and the sales pages. Thank you for watching. Best of luck. I hope you enjoy the product.
For more new tech reviews, press subscribe.